Okay, so it's my birthday, and I'm out here with some of my friends. Some of y'all, you know yourself. You know yourself. Anyhow, look. So that's David. That's Saber over there. And Daniel. We don't know who that person is. Oh, you know who this? Who is this?
Who is that?
Who is this?
My name is Natasha.
Natasha who? And what about, who's that?
Miss Thing.
Okay.
Okay, so I am about to eat my food. I don't know what food I'm getting catfish, sweet potato casserole, and sweet potato fries. And everybody else's table is empty. No. No. Their food is coming. My bad. Okay, so this is the sweet potato casserole, catfish, and sweet potato fries. So let's see.
So which one was you went? Well, you there before them.
Okay. I like the catfish. What did you get?
Pasta. That's all I know.
That's all you know, so that's all you ever eat. You don't try anything different? Why?
Find out.
Is that what makes you so quaff?
What?
Is that what made you so quaff?
Wow. Maybe.
Okay, so the food finally arrived. So they don't have an empty table. So, what are you getting? What did you get? And what? Oh, she's British. She's British. Oh, and he got the same thing. Oh, he has to. That's
Same.
and oh, love is in the air. Meow. Meow, love. Oh, you know what? I got a story. I told her who was gonna marry her. Did I not tell you? Wait, did I not tell you? Did I not tell you? And look at my prophecy come true. Okay, before you shove that thing in your mouth, what did you order?
The Cajun Trio.
The Cajun Trio. So what exactly is it?
Fettuccine, Cajun pasta, shrimp, chicken, bread, I don't know.
Okay. And what did you order?
Shrimp and grits.
Huh?
Shrimp and grits.
Oh, okay. Yes.
I need some water and they got Long Island iced tea.
Yeah, Long Island. I want a Long Island too. And what did you order?